Hello everyone, in this video I will be explaining how to use the mail merge feature. Mail merge feature is an Word feature, Microsoft Word, and not an Excel feature, but we will be using Excel while using this feature in the Word. Excel is one of the way to use the mail merge feature. You can also use Access databases, or you can type in your own databases to use that feature. So let's dive into the concept. So here I have a list of student names who have joined my courses in different levels and their mail IDs. So I require to send emails to each and individual person stating their name and confirming that receipt of the payment and the joining of the course. So this is what I require to send to all the persons individually. So that be the case, here it is only 8 members, so I could easily draft an 8 emails and just send it away. But say there are 100 members who have joined recently and I have to send to all of them. It is not practically feasible to send each and everyone a mail individually, because it will take a lot of time, it will consume a lot of time. At that time we could do something else productively. So say this is my format of, okay, so this is my format of email. So dear, the name of the person, thanks for joining the course on Excel. The level of the course should be filled in here, and the rest of the thing is given as this: we will send you the details of the batch and the materials, if any, 2 days before the commencement of the batch. Regards, Team Excelify. So this is the mail I want to send to each and every person. So this is the requirement now. So for this purpose, a general letter, it may be a letter or an email, anything. If you want to print individual documents with different fields changing for different persons, it is better to maintain an Excel with the list of the names of the persons and what are the contents you want to change. So here I want to change the levels of the person in this mail ID, I mean in this mail. So I want to include the name here. So these are all dynamic and I want to change it for each and every person, but other informations are constant. There is not going to be any change in these details. So this is where I can use the mail merge feature. So the mail merge feature in the Word file is available in under the mailings tab. So you could see here, home, insert, design, layout, references, mailings. So under mailings you can start a mail merge as a letter or an email. It is not required to actually select any of this. You can directly go and select the recipients and the required merge fields. So just go to select recipients available here under the start mail merge group. Go to select recipients. As I said, you can type in a new list by clicking like this and giving it a title, a first name, last name. These are all actually predefined things: title, first name, last name and all. You can just remove it and add your customized columns. So this is where you have to key in all the data. Instead of keying in here, you can also type a mail and send away. So it is not easy to do like this. So I will omit this, and you have an option called use an existing list, and you also have the option to choose from your Outlook contacts. So if you have Outlook enabled in your device, activated, used, signed in to an account, any account, it may be either Gmail or Outlook itself or Hotmail, any email. If you are logged in, it is fine. So it will choose from this Outlook account, or you can use the use an existing list option. So this using an existing list will search for the data sources. So as you can see here, all data sources. So this will search for a data source. What all considered as a data source is here. So an Office database connections, Access databases, different lists, and then you have Excel, Word, rich text files, everything will be considered as a database or data source. So now I want to go and get the data available in my Excel. So this is the Excel where I have my data mail merge. So I will just click it and give open. Now the Word will process the, or get the data from that Excel and populate the sheets available in the Excel. So there are two sheets, one is data and another one is mail merge. So mail merge is the heading or title I have shown at the first beginning of the video, and data is where I have the entire data which I want to send as an email, or the person's name and the levels. So I will select the data sheet. The data, once you select this, the Word will assume that the first row of the data contains the column headers. So in this case, if you see this, the first row is this, and this has the column headers, name, email and level. So this is a table and this is the column headers. So this is how it will be treated. It is actually preferable to use this way. So go and click OK. You don't see much a change, but only this being enabled, you won't see the names and all here. So I want to just insert the merge field here. So select this and insert what you want to fill here. So here I want to fill the name field, and here I want to fill the level field. So you can preview your results. So dear Dhyanesh V, thanks for joining the course on Excel advanced level. And if I go to the next one, it's Dhyanesh and basic, it's A and expert, so B and Excel advanced. So you can also unpreview the results. And now for sending the email, go to finish and merge and just give send email messages. So send email messages, and these two columns will be filled using the any of the link available in the Excel. So this is email. So the email header contains the email ID of the respective persons, and I will type my own text here. Recording course joining, and I have only 8 records. The Excel will populate everything, or it stops with 8, I don't know. So I will fill 8 for the safer side and give OK. Now every mail will be sent through the Outlook account you have in the Outlook application. Since I am using Microsoft Home and Student 2019 version, Outlook application is not part of the package, hence I cannot show you and open these things so that I could prove that the mail is actually going. So this is how you could use the mail merge feature with a Word and an Excel database. So you can also use the Access database as I said earlier. So like this video, comment on this video, share this video to your friends and share the knowledge. Subscribe to this channel and get Excelified. Thank you.